Twist a 9-finger wide bubble. Twist another 4-finger wide bubble. Make 4 sets in total. You can twist while comparing the sizes, so the lengths will be the same. Connect end to end when done. Cut off the excess balloon. Make another one exactly the same, but don't cut off the excess balloon. Twist each pair of segments twice to form individual petals. Adjust the position. Alternate the petals of 2 different colors. Make a flower core and wrap it around the petals. Now the petals are standing upright. We need to lay them down. Lace the previous petal down and tucks it between the next petal so it stays in place. Adjust 2 or 3 more times. Now let's make the flower base. Twist a 2-finger wide round bubble. Make another bear ear knot. Wrap the tail of the flower core around the bear ear knots. Make 2 4-finger ring bubbles as leaves.